Welcome to Dive Headlines. I'm Maggie Tai. Thank you for joining us. In January, Taal volcano in the Philippines erupted and more than 50,000 people were evacuated. Since many houses were destroyed, Manila Tzu volunteers went to Batangas to provide the affected residents with construction materials and $300 in financial aid. Many residents expressed their gratitude for Tzu.
Yung lindol, maya't maya lindol, halos segundo lindol. Itong aming ito ay hindi namin akalaing magkaganito. Ang inaasahan lang namin sana yung sira ng bahay.
A month after the Taal volcano eruption, Violetta's house is about to fall apart, so she built a temporary shelter on top of a pig pen.
I feel very depressed about rebuilding my home, especially because we are extremely poor.
Another family is also having a hard time. The home except the garage has collapsed.
It is painful to be homeless. The garage is filled with the volcano dust. We have no choice but to enjoy it.
Feeling for the affected residents, city volunteers have provided construction materials and financial aid, giving hope to them.
Tzu has given us cabinet and stove, as well as $300 in financial aid.
I pray to God every day for God to have mercy on us. You have come and given us much help.
Isa kayong dumating sa amin nga nagbigay ng ganitong tulong.